think it's about time because classes like this are held regularly abroad, and I'm really glad that the trend is trickling in. Yes, they do make a difference. I mean, if you're sitting there as an audience like I was, so these classes act as repetitions and reminders for us to know, where to keep our mind at, like the concentration, this, that, the science, everything. I think it's pretty comprehensive, and I think it definitely helps in the long run.
You know, if the classes in India, the driving license classes would actually get stricter, and they would be like the ones that we face in Germany, I think people would take driving a lot more serious. They would learn a lot more through the process of how to get a driver's license. I know for a fact that over here, you can give money and just get a license. You know, you just have to go there once or twice, and I don't know how strict it is now, but it definitely needs to get stricter.
The way Bollywood plays a very important role into this scenario, simultaneously, like a celebrity is the best, or 20 top celebrities from the country comes out and take out the campaign. I think it's really different. Definitely will make a difference. What do you say?
Of course, even I agree with Doris. Of course, it will really create wonders for people who doesn't know how to drive. So, it is. Roads in India and the traffic and the way the other people drive, it makes you crazy sometimes. And आप वैसे बन जाते हो कभी-कभी drive करते-करते because it really bugs you. Everybody's honking from here, there, people are cutting lines. There's just no rules on the road. So I guess after a while, you think you just forget everything. You become like that too, you know. And then it's just surviving one, cutting lanes and reaching cars.
Well, I don't drive at all. Like I was mentioning, I've always had chauffeurs who drive me around because I believe that if you're going to be in a state of if you're going to be drunk, if you're going to be not feeling up to driving, or if you have road rage or whatever, it's better to have a driver, you know. I prefer to delegate. So I don't drive at all.
I'm a very safe driver though.
No, I'm not a rash driver. I know my driving. I have a control on my car. So it's just that you should know, like you're speeding, you should know how to control your car.
And always her messages comes like because she doesn't miss out of the dates of the show. She keeps on using messages which I hate that.
Trust me. Because being a driver, so I've been driving it since 8-9 years. So I know I have a control on my car. So of course when you drive, at least you should have a proper concentration. You should not drive on the empty road like like speeding and all. So you should be very careful when you drive. The only message that I would like to give everybody driving out there, whether it's a car, whether it's a truck, or whether it's a bike that you are riding on, your life is at stake, literally. And driving recklessly is not going to take you anywhere. Your life is not going to change just because you reach 5 minutes earlier or 5 minutes later to your destination. So please drive safely, keep your life safe and keep your family's life safe that way. Safe driving, don't drink while driving.
All I'd like to say is that please drive safely, and like I learned from the session back there, please keep your concentration on the roads, not on the lovely ladies on the billboards or on road rage. Please keep your mind where it should be, and that's on the road.